This video shows the procedure to replace the internal air filters in the total carbon analyzer. To change the air filters in the total carbon analyzer, you will need new filters, a Phillips size 1 screwdriver and a small flat screwdriver. There are two analytical carrier gas filters installed in the total carbon analyzer. Both must be changed periodically. During the procedure, the instrument must be switched off. Open the door of the instrument and wait for the chambers to cool down if necessary. Remove the filter cover by unscrewing the nuts located at the bottom of the filter cover. Lift the filter cover and remove it from the instrument. The analytical air filter is installed using a grip adapter, which must be released by using a flat screwdriver or a similar tool. Detach the analytical air filter from the tube. Remove the analytical air filter from the instrument. The cartridge filter is located between both chambers at the bottom of the instrument. The filter and its fittings are installed in grip adapters, which must be released by using a flat screwdriver or a similar tool. Press on the white ring of the inner grip connector on one side of the filter and pull the filter out of the connector. Repeat the same on the other side. Remove the elbow connectors from the filter itself, this time pressing the gray ring of the connector. Take a new filter and attach both elbow connectors to this filter with the same orientation of the flow indicator arrow. Install the filter by pressing the elbow connectors firmly down onto the sockets. Note the orientation of the air flow indicator arrow from right to left. Reinstall a fresh filter in the instrument. Reinstall the filter cover and screw the nuts to secure it in place. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.